Hey everyone, Marieke Blokland here from Bloknote.nl, and today I would like to talk about this little pillbox. Go! Hey, Marieke Blokland here from Bloknote.nl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have a cute pillbox here. If you saw more of my courses and videos, you know that I like to create these tiny little watercolor sets in tins. Sets like this. Obviously this one belongs to this set. I think they're really handy to bring with you when you are traveling or doing a bit of small art journaling on location. So, as I was talking more about thrift store shopping, geez, that's a tongue breaker, thrift store shopping, I thought that this pillbox was like the cutest thing for making a watercolor set. So I did. It had 3 little compartments for pills, and I did my 3 favorite colors of watercolor in them. So they're all from Danielle Smith. It's Titanium Buff, Lunar Black and Shadow Violet. I thought that this little pillbox idea was just so cool that I wanted to share it with you. I love to use these colors for my dolls a lot. I use the Titanium Buff as a sort of pale skin tone. As you can see, I often leave the nose white. I use the Shadow Violet as a shadow color. It's a bit of a purplish grey color that is granulating very pretty. So that means that once dry it gets a sort of odd grainy texture, and I really love that. And the Lunar Black is a watercolor that I use in a lot of my art journal pages in the back to add a pretty grayish, grainy texture. There is already a layer of clear gesso on this page, which is helping the texture to get even more rough. But I love to use it very lightly and blotchy as a last layer on my pages. There is a bit of white color pencil here, and that gives a sort of resist effect. I love to use little sets of watercolor like this for this type of work in my art journals. This is not watercolor paper. I'm not always using watercolor on watercolor paper. I love to combine it with acrylics and colored pencils a lot, and I love the idea that this tiny little box can be a part of my art supplies bag, and I will always have a pretty box with me to make this kind of faces and backgrounds. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. You rock! Please support me by liking this video and subscribe for more quirky art inspiration and raw self-expression. Ciao!